Unajua Muguka ni Miraa. Muguka ni type ya Miraa. Ni kama vile tuko na Kangeta, tuko na Miraa aina tofauti kulingana na eneo ile imelimwa. Naelewana? Kwa hivyo kwa sababu Miraa iko gazetted saa hii, sa scheduled crop, hata Muguka iko hapo. Iko kwa hiyo class ya gazetted crops, na research mmesikia vile tumeeleza hapa ya kwamba tumeanza sasa kuenda next level ya kuongezea mazao kwa Miraa kwa njia ya value addition, na tumeanza research station kule Yembe, na ile research station ingine itakuwa hapa. Nimeambia CAS wapange vile hiyo ardhi hawa wamesema wamepeana iweze kumilikiwa na hiyo research station, tuwe na research station ingine hapa. Kuna kijana amefanya research kubwa na tumemweka kwa hiyo research team ambaye ameona Miraa iko na it's a very strong antioxidant from his own research, a graduate of Korean University, which we will share the results later. But hizo results ndizo tunataka sasa tuende kwa other products za Miraa ambazo ziko safe kama juices. Niliona hata ametengeneza yoghurt, anatengeneza wine. That's the direction we want to go, so that we diversify the products and go towards very safe product for Miraa. Hiyo research yake is groundbreaking. It is already showing Miraa is a very strong antioxidant, and it has very high quantities of vitamin C. Very high quantities. In fact, over 20% vitamin C it has there. He has done a lot of research. He's a food scientist. He has been able to see that. So those are the properties in Miraa that we want to see how we can do the research to isolate them and package them as products that can be used in our supermarkets and be used as food for our people. So that is where we are taking research next level. So Muguka is a Miraa like any other. It is just a different variety because Miraa different depending on the soils and the minerals where it is grown. It has variants, just like wine has variant depending on where the wine, where you have grown. The wine you produce is also very different from different regions. So there is no need to start thinking about Muguka as a different crop. It is Miraa. Tunaelewana? Actually, that's the other work we've been doing with the KEBS, which we started when I was in the Ministry of Trade, because Miraa had a problem with classification. It did not have a standard. So that when you are enforcing or when you are selling, you cannot put it in a particular standard within the KEBS standards. And what KEBS has done is now to provide a particular standard for Miraa, so that when you are selling it, those who look at the codes, they can already see where Miraa belongs. So that we've gone to that level now. So that those who will be doing value addition, producing products from Miraa, now have a standard that is already recognized in our Bureau of Standards. And it's a committee that have been working there, trying to come up with that classification in our standards. So it's another very big step that we have taken in commercializing Miraa and also providing phytosanitary standards that are required for us to continue trading with Miraa and selling it abroad and even the local market without any legal hindrances. To fall armyworms and other transboundary pests that are dealing with our crops, it's a question of getting organized. Since when we started devolution, they have developed some disconnect between counties and the national governments on how to deal with pests and diseases, because largely pest control and disease control is a devolved function. The national government largely is supposed to be coordinating. We coordinate and advise. But the people who are supposed to take action is the counties. Even the resources are actually devolved. But we try our best at the national level. Whenever there is a problem somewhere, we try to come in to support, and that we have been doing. And that's why we have seen even here we have brought our agents, the agencies that are involved in controlling pests, the Pest Control Board, KEFIS, and other agencies are already here on the ground working with the farmers here to see how we can control those persistent pests that are destroying the quality of our produce in our